How to use credit balance in Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the homepage. Now you have to select the items that you want to purchase. Add the items to the cart. So I'm going to add few of the items. Once you're done adding the items to the cart, now what you have to do is head back. At the bottom, you're going to see different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're in the U page, here you're going to see this option of Credit Balance. Click on it. Now here you're going to find the available credit balance in your Temu account. Click on the option of Use It Now. With that, you will be directed to the cart section. Now from here, you can select the items that you want to purchase using the credit balance. Just check in for the items and then you can click on the option of Checkout. Now you can provide your shipping address, likewise select your shipping method. Then scrolling down, you can also select your payment method. You can check all the details and then click on Submit Order. With that, credit balance will be used in your order. So this way you can easily use credit balance in Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.